Since 2001, costs and repairs from hurricane destruction in the United States have exceeded $157 billion. According to the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale, a Category 1 hurricane contains winds of 74 to 95 miles per hour, strong enough to knock over a tractor-trailer. A Category 5 hurricane contains wind speeds of 155 miles per hour and greater. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina swept across Louisiana, Mississippi, and Florida. This was a Category 3 hurricane, resulting in 2,500 deaths and approximately $89.6 billion in damages. The winds in this simulator only reach up to 74 miles per hour. Imagine being caught in winds greater than the ones you are about to experience. Get ready.